Here's the bow, Grand Marais. Today we got the special privilege of checking out an old Russel Hipwell logging tug. This started life in 1957 as a logging tug for the St. Lawrence Corp in Montreal, but it worked on the Lake Nipigon, Ontario, up by Orient Bay. It was shipped to Orient Bay in June of 1957, and worked there till 1974 when the logging operation stopped, and it was purchased and went out to Manitoba. I worked on Lake Winnipeg for the Manitoba Government. It was first the John I Rankin, and then when it went to Manitoba, it was renamed the Grand Marais. And it worked up there for quite a few years. Back on the other side of the upper deck cabin, or the deck cabins. Looks like it might have been the galley. Yeah, got plumbing pipes. Got the chief engineer cabin. Not a very big cabin. Got his own washroom. The upper deck, pilot house. Exhaust. Well, Pierre so graciously allowed us to go into the pilot house here and take a look. So, got all the old instruments and radios, and got the old Steelcraft Russell Brother helm. Pierre says he's going to restore this as a pleasure boat, which will be really cool. I'd like to see this sail again, especially out here in the Thunder Bay Harbor. Be a work in progress for a couple of years, I'm sure. It's a really nice old tug. The stern. Must have taken quite a while to cut her apart when she was trucked here. There's the engine room. Twin engine and nice engines. These are diesel Cummins engines. sure what size they are. Yeah, twin disc transmissions. Down into the bilge of the boat. Nice size diameter propellers. Probably about 4 foot. Here's the bow, Grand Marais. Got the gunwales. This tug is 96 feet long, 380 tons, built by Russel Hipwell in Owen Sound, Ontario. All the pieces of her are here. The other half of the bow section. Helicopter flying by. We got bunks. Got an old life ring with Grand Marais on it. And crew quarters. Half of the bow, the other crew quarters, the same crew quarters, but the other half of it.